Okay, this is the Arduino Uno. It's called the Uno because it's basically designed in Italy. And if you download the programming editor, you'll find under File, there's exemplars. So you can go to File, Exemplars or Examples. And then there's a tab that says Control. And under Control, you'll get an option of 2 programs. The first one will be Array, that's on the top, or Loop Operation. Now these programs switches from leg 2 to leg 7 randomly. The Array one will set randomly. The Loop Array will switch it on in a sequence, so it will go on and then on that side. Then another leg on the Arduino Uno to remember is this one. It's just G and D, and that's our ground or negative. So you'll connect all the positives from 2 to 7 and the negative just to the ground there. Okay, that's poster. Think of something most of you have done really good, but something that you can have. So on this one I can put white LEDs behind all these light spots there, and I can put maybe a few red ones in the line there, and that will look quite cool. Maybe a white one there and there as well. So like I told you, and if your drawing gets a bit damaged by marking it out like this, you can we can print out a new one for you. So what you'll do is you'll take something sharp and you'll just mark out where you want your LEDs. So there I want the LED, there, maybe 2 red ones there, another white one there, maybe another one there, maybe another white one there. Okay, then if you move the board away, you can just use a pen or a pencil. For this video, I'll just use a whiteboard marker. You don't need to put so you can just mark out where I've marked all my LEDs out. And there's another one. You'll see the indents in the wood because it's quite smooth. So there I've got them, and then you can just look at your drawing and then just make notes. Maybe a white one there. I know here I want 2 red ones in a row, there where the sword is. And there I can put white. There's a white one. It's actually not white, it's see-through, but it gives out the white light. Okay, so there I've got the starting point for my circuit all sorted out. I've got this. What you can do then is just start drawing out your circuit. So I can draw a little positive rectangle and a negative, positive rectangle and a negative. There another positive and a negative there. Positive on the top, negative on the bottom. Positive, there I'll put 2. So for my positive, I'll probably, you can have them go on the same, you decide, this is your choice. Positive on the top, negative on the bottom, and there positive on the top and a negative on the bottom. Then you can just get rid of the burr or those bits that get stuck out there. And then all you're going to do is cut your little bits of copper tape for the top and the bottom. So you'll just count how much bits you need. And then you can just stick them down on this board, and after that, in the next video, I'll show you guys how to complete the circuit and stick down or solder down the solder. You can draw, your negative will be one continuous wire, so you can draw wires like that to remind you that the negative is just one continuous wire. This will go to the ground or GND on the board, and then you can decide this one can go to number 2, leg number 2, this one can go to leg number 3, this one can go to 4, that one can go to 5, 6 and 7 if you want to. It's your choice. You can work this out on your own.